Good morning, class. Here's our virtual agenda for Thursday, January 14th, 2021. At 9:30 a.m., we have literacy. We're going to be learning about acrostic poems and sharing some of our haiku poems from yesterday. We're also going to take up our health at this time that we worked on yesterday. At 12:30 p.m., we have math. And for my grade 2 and grade 3 students, we have a fun Mode is Sweet activity. For science, Grade 2s will be looking at building ramps, and Grade 3s will be building pillars today. So be fun, be creative, and have fun constructing. At 1:30 p.m., you have French with Madame Osterman. Remember that when French finishes, you have time to work on your activities from today if they are not finished. When you are finished your activities, be sure to submit your work to me. You can submit it in the Dropbox, or mom or dad or an adult can email a picture of your work to me. Remember to try your best and to have fun learning, boys and girls.